Jamaican casualties in Genoa, Westmoreland woman, husband and daughter among Italian bridge collapse victims.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Hopes of finding Jamaican Dawna Munroe and their 9-year-old daughter Crystal were crushed on Friday, August 17 when Italian authorities confirmed they were among the 43 people killed when a bridge they were driving across collapsed in Genoa, Italy. Christian Secala, Munroe's Italian husband and the father of her daughter, was also killed in the incident, which also left 16 persons nursing injuries. The three were among the last of the victims to be confirmed dead because of the time it took rescuers to uncover their vehicle from the rubble. The family was en route to Livorno to take a ferry to the island of Elba, where they planned on vacationing. When the Morandi motorway collapsed, Munroe and her family were buried under the concrete for 3 days. Born in Sheffield, Westmoreland, Munroe and her daughter, then 7 months old, moved to Italy in 2009. She met her husband while working in Nigril. Our family is devastated. It is not pretty at all. I am not holding up well, and my mom, who lives in the United States, had to be taken to hospital, one of Munroe's younger sister, Akeisha Lewis, said. The family had hopes of finding even one of the three alive, after reports surfaced that Secala had sent a WhatsApp message advising his family that he was alive, but buried beneath the boulders. We hoped and we prayed they were still alive, Lewis lamented, adding that the last time she saw her sister was December 2017 during her wedding in Jamaica. Two of Munroe's sisters, Kimona Reed and Nicole Munroe, and an aunt have since traveled to Italy to identify the bodies. However, Lewis said they have been having issues of communication owing to the language barrier. The family wants to take back the bodies of Munroe and Crystal to Jamaica and are seeking guidance from the Jamaican government on how to get this done. The collapse of the bridge has caused a firestorm in Italy, with many families blaming the government for faulty infrastructure work.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.